first time since 1960, the number of live births in the European Union has fallen below 4 million, one of the lowest fertility rates in the world. And here's where it gets alarming. Europe's fertility rate has dropped to just 1.46 children per woman, far below the global average of 2.1, which is needed to maintain a stable population. As a result, the working population is shrinking. There simply aren't enough people to fill jobs, especially in the STEM fields like AI and data engineering. But why is data engineering at the center of it all? But here's the twist. To revive its workforce and sustain economic growth, programs like the EU Blue Card initiative were introduced to attract highly skilled non-EU professionals. This means getting a work visa and residency in Europe is now easier than ever. If the jobs are there, if Europe is welcoming talent, if opportunities are growing, then why are students still hesitating to start their dream careers in Europe? They weren't about opportunities or talent. The real problem? It's the fear. First, the language barrier. A new country, a new culture, a new language. How will they learn? How will they study technical subjects in a language like French? Second, the cost. Not just tuition, the cost of living is crazy. Rent, food, transport, everything adds up fast. Third, the what ifs. What if I don't land an internship? And that fear, it's stopping lakhs of students from even trying. That's when we stepped in. For the first time in India, we have collaborated with the #1 university for data engineering and AI in France, Avancity. And here's the best part. The entire coursework is designed in English. But here's what makes this even more exciting. It's a dual coursework program. You complete 30% of your course with an IIT Jodhpur online certification and the remaining 70% at Avancity, earning an MS degree in merely net 12 months. And because of IIT Jodhpur's credibility and its pre-assessments based on practical skills, GRE and GMAT are weighed for the program. And let's be real, you're saving 12 lakh rupees in expenses through this dual coursework program. With the Futurance Europe pathway, we are here to support you in creating your dream career. Because no one should stop you from building what's next.